exploding basketball prank.
Do you know what PSI these are supposed to go at? I think I'm gonna just like push it to 80. Do normal.
Oh my fucking god, bro.
Oh my god.
What the fuck was it? My basketball, bro.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I had to go be that loud.
Damn.
Holy shit.
What the fuck?
I didn't think it would be
Y'all
that
straight?
loud.
What the fuck, G?
Bro, there's no fucking way. That just shook my whole body, bro. Bro, that just shook my whole body.
That just shook my whole being, bro.
I couldn't even hear how loud it was. I didn't think it would be that loud. It was that like a demogorgon.
I thought a demon was gonna come in. Like,
It kind of scared me. I don't know if I jumped on camera or not. That shit was loud as fuck. It shook me. I said, damn.